Harvest time, harvest time. Let's see what's going on here. Got jujube. See, I don't know. I kind of like them when they're nice and green like this. You leave them on here, they'll get a lot sweeter, turn into more like dates. I think they're called Chinese dates. But I like them like this. They're kind of like a apple taste. Really small, do really great in these hot climates. Just let them do their thing. Last year, this was a tree from a rootstock or whatnot. Now it's going crazy. You can kind of let it turn to a bush, but I think that kind of limits the production, so I'm probably gonna have to take that out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to pick. We're just gonna do a harvest today. That's all we're gonna do. We're not gonna do anything crazy. Show you what's doing good in this heat and some of the good things that grow here. And there's really no fuss to this. You just let it do its thing. You come out here and you harvest. I kind of like to get in the rotation of just picking things as I'm out here, and I'll eat while I'm doing other things. Get these rinsed off, get all those flies. But hey, like I said, let's do some harvesting. Come with me. Okay, friends, check it out. And the thing is, they don't all ripen at the same time, so we have various stages of fruiting. And we have compost. Just gonna throw that back in there. On to the next. Alright, what else we got going on in this garden? Look at that monster. Got some delicious looking figs going. Luckily the birds didn't get them yet. And this guy just took off. Remind you guys, these were just planted this year. Looking for them to be nice and dark and droopy. Don't those look good? And what's left from the, like these birds, the audacity. At least that's somewhat there. These birds will come out here and just nibble on things. Won't even eat the whole fruit. But look, we got a couple good ones. Maybe they're staying hidden a little bit. And when they're ready, they'll just pop right off. Look at that. I was never a really fig person. Someone convinced me. And I'm trying them out. Put that in here. Thing with figs is that they come in so many different flavors. You get them to taste like honey. You get them to taste like strawberries. You get some that taste like, I don't know, like so many different blueberries. This one probably could have hung for a little longer. You don't want any green. Not on this guy. Okay. Okay. Liking this. Check out this guy. This is the one that I root pruned because of that log. And look at the recovery. A lot of people are saying that it was going to have a lot of issues. I'm not seeing any issues. I'm not seeing any. Already trying to fruit. Less than a year, guys. Less than a year. Now, who said you can't get good stuff in desert climates? Once a week, come out here and pick your own fruit. What else we got? Okay, we got some peppers. No recalls. I'm not gonna throw up or have projectile vomit from this. Don't get discouraged out here. There's so many things. Maybe you're just not growing the right thing. But there's so many things, weird shapes and all, that you can do in these hot climates. In fact, I think it's better to grow here than a lot of the other climates. Zone 9B, y'all. Let's grow.